Hi Scorpio, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of March 21 is going to be for you, and because you're receiving this video a little in advance, you'll have time to work on yourself and change the situations for you. Also, I would encourage you if you can watch the February prediction video, because that will help you understand how much you are resonating with these videos, how much is actually working out for you, and accordingly you can decide how do you want to move ahead with this predictions or this reading. Now, to tell you, the month of March is a month where you're going to face certain fears of yours. There could be some situation that might arise as a concern about the family or about travel or about movement. Now there are cards which are saying that temporarily you might just feel stuck, or you might just feel that everything is suddenly changing, but your cards are saying that is happening so that you realize what is your strength, so that you realize how can you move forward. Because there's a card of balance, there's a star card, there's a card of magicians, where is the card of resources, and there's card of knight of wands, ace of pentacles. I see positive communications and positive things happening in your life this month. But it is very important to bring in or have that balance between your thinking, between your thought and the words you speak. That balance is going to help you immensely this month. It is going to be very important. If you talk about your health, the first thing that I notice with your health is that you need to take care of yourself while walking, while driving. So be very careful, because there is some kind of accident that I kind of see on your cards, because there is some kind of getting hit or hurt by something that's there on your cards. And there is a Tower card also, which is something beyond your control. It's a natural calamity or a natural thing that happens. But if you're careful, you can actually control the damage, and I don't see something big happening or something huge happening. So just be careful while you're driving, while you're kind of walking. Just be careful. Second, on your cards, I would say this month that there's a big no for addictions. This month, don't get into any kind of addiction. And addiction doesn't mean that you're into drugs. Addiction means anything that you cannot do without. So whether it is a person, it's a thought, it's sleep, it's food, it's anything. Addiction is not good for you this month. You will have to move past your addictions this month. There could be some sleeplessness that you might feel, but that sleeplessness is going to either come from your fears, because you are too afraid of certain things or facing certain things in your life, or the sleeplessness might come because your angels and guides are connecting with you. Wherever it comes from, meditation is going to help you. There is an exercise on my channel which is called thank you exercise. You can do that if you wake up mid of the night or you are unable to sleep. Otherwise, there is a lot of videos on YouTube which can help you with the soothing music to sleep. You can play anything, whatever suits you. But this month, meditations are going to help you with your sleep and with your health issues. For your mental health also, I would say this month be careful, because there are a lot of thoughts that are going to come to your mind. There are a lot of unclarities, or a lot of things that will start becoming clear, or you will probably have to let go of a particular situation or move to a situation where you become a little, which is little uncomfortable for you, or which brings a little discomfort. All of this is happening to break this pattern. This devil feel that you have, that you're stuck, this is not right, that is not right. All of this is happening to break that out. Once that is broken, you will see very, very beautiful changes in your life, and that is why you don't have to kind of be afraid of anything. Face your fears, let go of anything that is kind of hurting you, or that is on your mind, or that is not allowing you to be at peace. You can practice let go exercise. If we talk about your wealth or money, for wealth of money, there is Ace of Pentacle, and then there is Magician. Magician is a card of resources. So I don't feel there should be any problem with regards to your money, because money will flow into your life from one or the other part or the other way. This month, don't invest. Don't invest into things, because there is certain kind of fraud that I can see on your cards. There is a possibility of some kind of fraud happening, and there is a possibility that if you're not able to understand it clearly and you get into this devil zone, either you're drunk or either you're under the influence of somebody, you might put your money somewhere where you might just lose it. So this month, don't put your money anywhere, don't invest your money, otherwise the flow will happen. There's nothing to be worried about that. If we talk about your love or relationship, now this is a very tricky month, because it feels like something with regards to your family is you either you want to hide something about your family, or you want to hide something from your family, or you've hidden something about your family from somebody else, and those things might just start to come out this month. Or there's a possibility, because there is 8 of Cups also in the same row, there's a possibility that either you want to kind of move away from your family, like not be with your family, or you want to be with your family but you're forced to move away from your family. Either ways, there is a situation where something will happen which will make you face the fears that you have with regards to your emotions or unclarities, or if for anything you've lied, if you've been in an extramarital affair or 2 affairs at the same time, something like that. Things will come out to truth. Things will come out to light. So anything that is made on a lie is going to fall down this month, and you cannot stop it from happening, and you don't have to stop it from happening, because it is happening for good. It is happening so that actually relationships become more nurturing and better, because they are based on truth. It is happening so that you balance yourself more, and you don't have to kind of use lies every time, or kind of feel stuck every time that things are not how you wanted them to be. And that is why, if there are any changes that are happening in your relationship area, in your family area, don't be afraid of them. Rather, be very passionate, very compassionate, and have patience this month. Communicate with patience, communicate with... Magician is also about communication. Magician is also about saying the right things at right time. So say the right things at right time. Don't say things from the devil point of view, where you're feeling stuck and you're saying anything. Just be careful from that part. Otherwise, Scorpions are very careful with their words. But this is a month like that. And also in your relationships, if some relationship is not working out for you, has not been working out for you, you might just walk away from this relationship. And walking away is not breakup. There could be a possibility where you again heal that relationship, or there's a past relationship that is coming in your life that required healing. Either way, you have to either let go of something completely for now, or you have to heal something completely now. Your voice is going to play a very important role. How you speak your words, how you choose your words is going to be very important this month. So be careful about that. This is a month where you don't focus much outside. If you're looking for a relationship, if you're looking for kind of fixing your relationship, traveling, anything with regards to your relationships, this is the month. Don't look outside. Balance yourself first. It is very important for you to balance yourself, because I kind of feel a lot of disturbance in your energies. It is very important to move out of that stuck feeling. Balance your emotions, balance your internal self, balance your senses. Once you balance yourself is when you will be able to balance others. So balance yourself. It's going to be very important. If you are trying for a baby, there's a possibility by end of the month. But don't be afraid. There are a lot of things on your mind, a lot of thoughts on your mind. You're afraid of a lot of things. So don't be afraid. If you want a baby, you can go ahead. And if there is a pregnancy that happened but you didn't want it, don't get negative. Don't get panicked. The soul that is coming in your life is a very beautiful soul. You don't have to be worried anyways at all. If we talk about a job or career, I kind of feel that there is some unclarity that you have. And there is some waiting that is also there. So if you don't have a job, probably you are unclear about how do you move forward, what you do, or you are unclear about which kind of job should you do, whether you should go for a business or a job. And there's a lot about family that is kind of connected in there. The cards are saying that believe in yourself, let go of negativity, let go of unclarity, let go of the past, balance yourself, work on your skill, improve your skill, move out of this zone of being into negativity, connect with your seniors, connect with people who are elder than you or who's been in senior positions than you, and you will receive something. So the job will come your way. There's a card of resources. By mid of the month, the job will come your way, and the more balance will also come your way. But you need to kind of move out of your fears. Second, there is a possibility where you might get transferred, or there is a travel that you might have to pick up where you don't want to go. The cards are saying that don't get confused. If that is happening, it is happening for your good, because there are a lot of things that you need to clarify. And only when you reach that space, either it is close to your family or far away from your family, but either ways you don't want this to happen. It will help you. It will help you get more resources, clarify many things, and get better into your communication with your loved ones. If you are looking for a job and you get an opportunity and offer which is telling you to kind of invest a certain kind of money, there's chances of fraud. So I would want you to be careful with that. So don't get into any kind of fraud, and just be careful that if there is something of the past that you've not been able to heal that. It is very important. Also, don't leave your job just like that unless you have a new one in your hand. Once you have a new one in your hand, then you can leave that. For people in business, it feels like you're not able to prioritize, or there is some kind of problem that you're facing with your business where things suddenly end, or they do not pick up the way you want them to be. One, there could be a problem with your product or service. So just be careful that there is nothing hidden out there. Second, you're not able to prioritize. There are a lot of things on your mind. Third, you're not working on your marketing well. So in short, this month you work on your product or service, whatever it is, and marketing. If you work on both the things, the money will flow. If you're looking for an investment, the money will flow, and you'll move towards the magician point where things will start moving positively, and you'll move out of this negative zone or sleeplessness. Also, for students, again, there is unclarity that I kind of see. Now, unclarity is because you want, probably some of you want to do something else, are being forced to do something else. If that is the case, don't think that I'm doing this, but I don't want to do this. Don't do something half-heartedly. First of all, prioritize and clarify what you want to do, because you are also not clear what you want to do and how do you want to do that. How will you convince somebody else? That is why, first of all, clear it in your mind as to what you want to do and how you would want to do it. Whether it is taking any course, whether it is studying outside, whatever it is. Once you are clear, then if you express it, there is high possibility of other people getting convinced. If they are not convinced, that means that you are meant to follow this path. So follow this path not half-heartedly, but with complete faith. Second, there could be a possibility, because colleges and everything is opening up, you'll have to move away from your family and you don't want to. So don't be negative. Don't get into this zone. Balance yourself. The family or the relationships are always going to be there. The travel is going to be there, but you need to move positively. It is very important for you. If we talk about your soul path or soul growth, most important card. This month, the cards are saying face your fears. It is very important for you to face your fears. It is very important for you to leave any addiction that you have. It is very important for you to not get into that zone of imbalance and giving up or negativity, and be in this zone where you are balanced. Meditations are going to help you big time, and if you kind of wake up at the same time every night, like 2 p.m., 3 p.m., don't think that's a negative time. Oh, I'm waking up at negative time. There's no negative time. The source is always with us. Just meditate. If you meditate, it will help you big time with kind of balancing yourself or nurturing yourself. If we talk about your number of the month, it is going to be 9. Color of the month, any shade of yellow or blue is going to be for you, good for you. Chakras of the month. There are 2 chakras that I'm going to give you this month. One is solar plexus, one is throat chakra. Solar plexus, all about your emotions, your willpower, your fears. Throat chakra, all about how you communicate. And this month it is going to be very important to balance your thinking or the thoughts and the words. And that is why these 2 chakras will help you immensely. The mantra of solar plexus is Ram. It's R-A-M, Ram. Mantra of throat chakra is Hum. H-A-M or H-U-M, as however it kind of works with you, resonates with you, but sound is hum. If we talk about your mental exercise of the month, the card is patience. And this month you need to have patience. Need to have patience with people, with things, with situations, how you react, how you take things forward. It is very, very important, and also to be focused on your goal, not give up, because you're very close to achieving it. Right now you're getting confused whether you should move ahead or not. Don't give up. The affirmation for you is going to be, I pursue my goals with open receptivity. I am patient and flexible, willing to receive in many surprising and imaginative ways, and I always receive abundance, happiness, everything in my life. Just do this affirmation whenever you doubt yourself and move forward. If we talk about surrender message of the month, the card is surrender to passion. It says, get out of your head and feel the fire in your belly. Solar plexus chakra. Focus on the people and activities that ignite your passion and let it flow. This month it is all about letting your passion flow and having patience and moving forward towards your goal. The second card is Archangel Uriel. It is the message from the unicorn. It says become a peace ambassador. Very important. Peace is going to be very important this month for you, and inner peace specifically is going to be very important. If we talk about animal card of the month, you have a card of giraffe. It says aspire to higher knowledge and wisdom, and the card says when you receive this card of higher wisdom, it suggests that you look beyond the limitations of your current circumstances and situations. Continue to fulfill your daily commitments and responsibilities diligently while you explore your life from a higher perspective. You may then see things very differently. Internal change inevitably follows, and this is automatically reflected in your world. You are also asked to tune into your inner self and meditate, or meditation. It is very, very important for you. Or if you know your home planet in sleep, you can meditate on that and connect to the ray of truth so that you can understand the true wisdom of your soul. And like I said, it is very important. If you are hiding something about you, about your family, that is what is going to torture you to the core. And if you get to truth, that is going to be very important for you. That will help you. Giraffe wisdom reminds you to act graciously with dignity, serenity and balance at all times. And this will enable you to fulfill your dreams and your destiny. Stand in your power as a point of light, and that is very important for you to kind of be in your power. It is very important that you stand tall. And if you see giraffe, very tall, the neck is especially very tall, which means throat. The throat chakra there's so much space there also, and it's a very peaceful animal. So that's why you need to be at peace and you need to be truthful. Very important. If we talk about what will happen if you follow the guidance. So the card that came first was Knight of Raphael, and this card is more about like relationships. So I wanted to take out another card. The card came was Lovers. So yes, this month is a month about relationships, about clearing your relationships, about clearing your communications, about bringing in that balance between your thought and your speech or your voice or the words that you speak. The card is Knight of Raphael. It says romantic, dramatic, poetic or introspective person. Committed romantic relationships, being swept off your feet, situations or topics that make your heart flutter. And this fluttering of heart is not only like, you know, you're liking somebody and there are butterflies in. This fluttering of fluttering of heart is also because there are lies that you are kind of living on. There are things that you're stuck. There are things that you've hidden. And this could also be because those are coming out. So it is important to face your fears. It is important to communicate truth, and it is important to communicate in an effective way. If we talk about the other card, it is the Lovers. It says make choices from your heart, deeply emotional commitments and the power of love. Now, if you see this card in the traditional Rider-Waite deck, it is exactly opposite to Devil, something that you need to work upon. If you see both these cards, there is a devil and then there is an angel. There is an angel in this, there is a devil in this. There are two people there, two people here, but here they are kind of into chains. Here they are free to follow whatever they want to follow. This is the distance that you have to cover this month. You have to come from the devil to the Lovers, and this is going to be very important for you. So please cover this distance this month. Meditations are going to help you. Being truthful is going to help you, and being peaceful and not be afraid is going to help you big time. So please follow this. You can practice thank you exercise also if you want, or let go exercise. That will also help you. The links are in description box. And if you like the video, please share it with everyone, because a lot of people can get to positivity and can get help through these videos, and that could be your contribution to the society. So just ensure that you don't forget to kind of share these videos. Let's see what is the card for you. Search for Scorpions. Yes. These are too many. Okay. So, see, the card is Five of Swords. Five of Wands. Five of Wands is a situation where you see a lot of people, they are fighting. They look like fighting. They are not fighting. They are just stuck with each other. And the card is saying that they are just wasting time. They are not doing anything that is fruitful. They are just stuck with each other because They're entangled into each other's mindset. Somebody is trying to stop somebody is trying to force somebody is just watching the drama. It's all about kind of the drama that people are indulged into, and there is nothing that is coming out of this drama. That is why if you have fears, if you're stuck into something which is kind of you want to kind of avoid a family drama, you want to avoid a situation that is not going to lead you anywhere, you'll kind of be stuck into it. The situation only will be handled when you actually sort this, when you actually solve this. Either move past this or don't get indulged in the same situation or the same kind of stuck feeling, or a feeling where nothing is moving, nothing is happening in a particular way, and don't get into drama and fights. Very important this month. If you follow this, your month is going to be beautiful, because there's magician in the end. I feel a lot of positive communications, a lot of opening up, a lot of good things are flowing into your life, and this is a part where you need to kind of sort this for reaching this stage where everything is beautiful, everything is good, everything is balanced. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write, I want my reading, I'll share my number, we'll take it forward from there. My channel has a lot of videos about tarot learning. It has videos on soul growth, it has videos on when you see repetitive numbers, it has videos on anything and everything. They are sorted in playlists. Whenever you get time, go watch those videos. If you like something, leave a comment, share it with other people. And I will see you with the next month's prediction. If you can, please subscribe the channel or like the video. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.